Hello. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the workflows we have set up in Hubspot that enables auto deal creation based on a form submission, like a demo request form or booking a meeting with a sales rep. So to start off, let's look at our form. This is the form that we put onto our main site. It captures name, company email, phone number, the company size, the country that they're located in, and what they're looking for. So whether it's for themselves, for their clients, as a reseller, if they want a partnership or the professional services, and any other context for the deal. They'll hit schedule. They'll be taking, we use Chili Piper to schedule a time directly with one of our reps that matches the criteria. But to keep track of everything in HubSpot and reduce time for the sales team to input everything, we auto create deals. So the trigger, it takes a look at when the demo is scheduled. So we have a property when the form is submitted, the time is stamped on the contact, or if a contact books through one of our sales reps, that is going to be added in there as well. It's the same form that they would fill out. It's just that sales rep can use it and send it to their prospects directly. Once it comes in, it's going to check that contact and it's going to see if the company they're associated with is already a partner, a consultant, or something else. Mainly, if we're already working with them, we don't want them to auto create deals and have it cluttering up our pipeline. So if that happens, we're going to filter them out into a none met branch and it just ends there. Now, if the contact is new and they have no company type established, they're going to flow into this where we have a delay for 15 minutes. This acts as a buffer to allow the company and the contact record to go through any workflows, any lists, and populate with information that we're going to need to route this to the right branch. So from here, we flow into a branch with a lot of different scenarios. The first one is if it's been completed before. So if someone's gone through, let's say they submit it and then 5 minutes later they submit it again, I don't want two deals being created. So if this happens, it's going to go to me just to notify it. I want to see how often this is happening and fix it. If it is someone who actually has another deal, I'll route that myself to someone manually. Second one is if they're already a paying customer of ours, we don't want another deal just automatically created without our customer success team being involved. So for that, we'll send an in-app notification to our customer success teams to take a look at it. Third, if it's a known deal and that contact is already associated with another one, whether it's closed or not, we're going to have it go to the contact owner. That way they're aware that, hey, they're submitting another demo request. They may want to meet with you and they don't have your contact information or they have another product. It keeps them in the loop of what their contact's doing. So now we'll get into the actual deal creation. I have three different branches here. One is if they are located in APAC, it's going to check the currency and set that correctly on the deal record. Then we have if they're looking for a partnership or a consultant for professional services, we're going to filter them through this branch. And third, if it's just a general demo request, we'll have them in this branch. Now, each of these branches have a little bit different properties based on our sales process and how we want to structure the deals. You'll want to do that specific to your organization. But just to walk through how we have it set up here. First, we'll create a deal. We'll assign it to the existing owner of the contact so they own that deal. We'll name the deal. This helps keep everything uniform. You're able to see what was auto-created and what was manually created because they likely won't keep the same naming convention. We're going to put it into a sales pipeline. We have three. This puts it at the first stage of our sales pipeline. This one would be our partnership pipeline. We automatically set the close date for 60 days out. That's based on, the data we have of how long it takes to close. Anything past that, we're going to want to start a new deal. Then we're going to start filling it in with information we got either from the form or that was auto-populated. So one, their country they put in there, we're going to have that in there. That's going to be on the deal record. The currency, which again for APAC might be a little different. We have that set automatically. Our deal type, our deal description. The description is going to include information that they put in this comments section so that the contact owner has a deal record with all of the information that's present. We set our forecast category, our sales pipeline, geographic region, where this is coming from, who the SDR was on the lead, if it was sourced from an SDR. And then we're going to associate all of the activity from the company and contact onto the deal. So that way, if it's the first time that a contact owner is seeing this contact, we go back and see, okay, they interacted with these pages, they downloaded this white paper, they have that extra context when they're going into it. So the deal gets created, then we send an in-app notification saying, hey, there's been a new deal created, you're the owner. Please check it out, make sure everything is right. If you need any information, reach out to the rep and schedule that meeting. Last, we're going to create a task. Again, this just helps keep everyone online to make sure that nothing is missing. So we're going to have them come in, check the deal out, carry out any pre-call research if it's needed. Then they're off to work that deal.
Oh,
This is a workflow that saved a lot of manual time for our sales team, which enabled them to focus more time on selling. It also helped keep our data a lot more structured and clean. All of these properties are set automatically, so there's nothing that would be missed when we're doing reporting. And as deals progress through our cycle, we have workflows running to automatically update things and some validation checks to make sure that the sales team is updating things as we go along. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out.